Hi guys, I'm Dani.
And I'm Alex.
And we have some very exciting news to share with you today.
So in 2021, we are teaming together and we are bringing you a real estate class, Money Moves.
Woo woo! In 2019 and 2020, Alex and I have sold over $100 million in real estate combined. We've been getting some calls from agents asking us about our processes, what we do to be successful. So we decided to team up and bring it all to you.
This is going to be a year-long class. You can expect it to be extremely hands-on. Some of the items that we are going to provide that are a little bit different, we are giving you custom planners very similar to the ones that we use on a daily basis to help you get organized. We are going to be doing weekly homework and tasks because we're doing this with you to help keep everybody accountable, as well as Dani and I are doing a bi-weekly podcast that you will be able to have access to, where we really dive into the weekly craziness of the real estate world.
So many things happen in this business, and sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but we want to put it all out there for you to experience.
Excited to have you guys join. Feel free to go to the link in our bio. We have the Eventbrite sign up there. It's at the top of our Instagram pages. It'll be on Facebook as well. The first 5 people who sign up are going to get 50% off. We are limiting the class to only 100 people. So we hope that you join us in all of your success.
We will see you there in January 2021, and cheers to your success.
Woo!